All right, ladies and gentlemen. Well, without further ado, we are going to go ahead and introduce the final of the Wave 10 figures, Cassie In Space Pink Ranger. Also, just happens to be the final In Space Ranger we also need until we have the entire team. So we're going to go ahead and talk about Cassie. And we all know that there's been some issues with Cassie, and we're going to address all of them. But let's first take a look at the front of the box. The beautiful Tom Whalen art, the back with the beautiful rendering, and then the other side of the Tom Whalen art. Get a good look at her, and we're going to go ahead and we are going to address all of those issues you know that we all came here for. All right, here we have Cassie Chan out of the box, and we're going to start off with some of these beautiful accessories. Now, we got a karate chopping hand. I love me some karate chopping hands, okay, because the Power Rangers are always doing those poses with karate chopping hands, so we got to go ahead and make sure we advertise that. This gun, I can't remember exactly what this gun is called, which is sad because I love Power Rangers in space, but I don't remember exactly what this gun is called. And in fact, we're just going to put the gun right here. Boom. So she's locked and loaded, ready to go when it's time to go to work. Now, it's Cassie Chan head. Does this look like Cassie Chan? It does look like an Asian woman, but not that one, but looks like somebody, you know, but not necessarily Cassie Chan, but that's okay. I'm going to go and say I love the braid on the back. You know, I love that they added this. It's not something you see very often with the Lightning figures, but, you know, it's okay. Like, it's not the worst one. This face is actually very pretty face. You know, it's a very pretty face. Then we got the Satellite Stunner. Now, this is two pieces. You just easily put them together and make one. Boom. And that's it. That's literally it. So this is what she comes with, but let's go ahead and talk about the biggest issue that we've been all wanting to know about with this figure. Now, we got the regular articulation that we all know about, but we want to know about this side part right here. Now, I'm trying to line it up perfectly so that everybody can see it. As you can see, mine has the paint. You can tell that they painted this in to fix this issue, which is fine. When you look at it from a distance, you actually can't really tell. But if you look at it up close, and maybe you can see it in the camera, you might be able to tell. But it's actually still a really good figure. I'm not gonna lie, I even questioned buying it because I could tell the paint issues were real. But actually, I'm kind of happy I got it. Now let's go ahead and put the head of Cassie Chan on this figure and see how she looks with the head on. And let's snap that in real quick. Lock and load. Oh! It's not good, but good. This one's a little bit harder to get in. Okay, it's up there. Trying to get it nice and... No, it's not. I'm trying to get this nice and flush. There it is, locked and loaded. Sometimes you got to push. Sometimes you got to apply a little pressure. Let them know who the man is. I'm the man. You know, so there it is. We got her in. Let's get her standing. Perfect. Cassie Chan, ready for battle. She looks good. She looks lovely. Oh yeah, I love it actually. Let's go ahead and zoom in just a little bit so we can really take a look at this figure. She looks nice. Actually, the more I get closer to it, the more I like it. Yeah, I'm loving this figure all the way down, head to toe. Yep, we got a good figure right here. I'm actually really happy with this figure. Yeah, so this is what we have here. I'm so happy to have an In Space Pink Ranger, but let's go ahead and take the head off. If I can get it off. There it is. Boom, take the head back off. Put the Space Ranger helmet back on. I'm gonna need the assistance of a higher power. And there we go. Lock and loaded. Boom. Cassie Chan. There we go. Let's put a satellite stunner in her hand, right? Let's see how that looks. Oh, that kind of pretty much goes right in there, kind of. There we go. It's in there. There it is. Boom. Satellite stunner. Okay. Okay, Cassie, I see you out here in these streets. There it is. Looks good. Okay, you guys. But we got the karate chopping hands. Let's go ahead and do what we came here to do. Let's get this all set up. Boom. She's good. Let's take this. All right, so let's go ahead and put Cassie next to her Psycho Ranger counterpart. Let's see what that looks like together. You always want to see what those two look like on camera together. Those look great. All right, we'll take a Psycho Ranger and we'll add the Princess of Darkness, Astronema. She looks great standing next to Astronema. But let's be honest here, guys. We know what we came here for. We want to see Cassie with her team. So let's go ahead and add Ashley for girl power. Andros. Carlos. And my boy TJ. And that is everybody. We literally have the entire In-Space team sitting right here. Oh, my bad. Let's go ahead and add my boy, Zane, from KO35. There he is. And we have a full In-Space team. Look, I want y'all to tell me who your favorite In-Space Ranger is. We got everybody here. So I appreciate y'all for watching and being patient. You know, be kind to everybody. Let's go ahead and help everybody out. Be kind to everyone except the racists, because we ain't got time for their mess. So y'all have a good evening.